As a doctor and a public health professional, today's news was disappointing. We know that the requirements for vaccines in workplaces are an important part of how we can keep workplaces safer for both workers as well as for customers.
That was the U.S. Surgeon General. He was reacting to the U.S. Supreme Court decision to halt a COVID vaccine and testing mandate requirement for employees at large companies.
The president was hoping it would slow the spread of COVID-19.
Others, though, disagreed. Let's get to Tina Ramos right now, joining us this morning with what some local leaders are saying about the impact this will have on our state. Tina.
And Angela, we can tell you locally, some of that information is starting to stream in this morning. We're hearing from some of those officials here across the state, and this does come at a time when the U.S. Supreme Court has rejected the Biden administration's effort to get people vaccinated across the state, at least here in Ohio as well. Now, you have to remember, too, this really has been a controversial issue from the very start of this. We're hearing strong opinions coming from both sides. Earlier this week, the Occupational Safety and Health Administration moved forward with an emergency measure for businesses with over 100 employees to enforce vaccine mandates for its workers or get tested every week before entering the workplace. But yesterday, the U.S. Supreme Court blocked that move, a move that is affecting hundreds of businesses here in Central Ohio. And according to Ohio's Attorney General Dave Yost, this decision was based on law, not politics.
That means that this goes back to the political branches of government, to the states, and the elected legislators who are in charge of actually writing the laws.
So that does mean this could possibly surface again in terms of these mandates. Lawmakers could sit down and possibly create legislation to bring these mandates back. Of course, that's something we'll keep watching. But according to one local Ohio official, he says these mandates itself could help local businesses, could hurt local businesses, I should say, financially. We're going to hear more about that coming up next half hour. In Columbus, Tino Ramos, 10 TV News.